Tatay and I are now going to Eden Nature's Park and we are riding Kuya Randy's tricycle for 150. Kaya kung pupunta kayo ng Eden Nature's Park, sakay kayo ng Patoril and then baba ng Mercury kasi mas mura daw ang tricycle from Mercury than Caltex. Dito 150 lang. Kaya kuya, kaway ka naman dyan Kuya Randy. Yan. That bundok is where we're going. Ba, malayo-layo pala yun, no? We are now here at Eden Nature's Park in Davao. This is where I'm gonna spend my birthday, 45th birthday. Magandang lugar. This is very near Mount Apo. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Andito kami ngayon sa front desk and we booked via agoda.com. Hello! Hello! Ayan. Overnight, this is included. Of course, the overnight breakfast for 2. Complimentary fishing village. And then complimentary pool, 8 to 4 p.m. only because it's cold. Call them here. Ayan. Okay. So I am here today at Eden Nature Park and Resort with Sarah, our tour guide.
Good morning. Rate ba?
120 ang rate if you're day tour.
Yes, it's 120 pesos pa.
Pero if you're staying overnight like us, may discount.
Yes.
85 pesos. Ayan, maganda dito. Anong meron dito, Sarah?
So we have a lot of flowers. Different kinds
okay.
siya, internationally and locally flowers.
Alright, picture lang tayo dito. Ito, ang lugar maganda. Hello, Daddy. Flowers.
Garden. So that's the lover's bell over there. And
This is the lover's bell. Siyempre, dapat may lover ka. Ito ang aking lover. Okay ka ba? Ayaw niya talaga. Sorry, You bell. It doesn't ring at all, but it's a lover's bell. So, there with my lover. So, this is our second stop for the tour. Oh, this is a house of...
Lumad cultural thing.
Lumad house. Yan. Kaway ka dyan. This is the third and last stop here in Eden for the tour. Anong lugar?
Lola's Garden.
Lola's Garden. And there they are, the younger ones, having a lot of pictures. And here we are with the older one. Hello, Mother! Enjoy Minjola po. Saan po kayo galing?
Sa Mantikaw, Misamis Oriental.
Misamis Oriental. Hello, Mother. Ilan taon na po?
67, running 68.
Running 68 and I'm 45 today po. It's my birthday today. Thank you. Thank you. Ang lapit nyo lang dito, no? The Mayumi Wishing Well. Wow, very nice. Gumamela. There's white, there's red, and there's one pink over there. Very pretty. Just like me. Yeah. Natawa ka, no?
That's true.
For more of this Eden Nature's Park, Eden Nature Park, please do visit my blog at www.occasionsofjoy.com.